i35equipment.com. Today we're unloading the Vermeer hydraulic trencher from the back of the Cybertruck. This weighs in at roughly 1,600 pounds. No big deal though for the air ride suspension. Bubbled right up. For a cheat code on how to get your truck loaded and unloaded easily, I recommend a telehandler. This machine just came in on consignment. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online, i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.